I'm going to show you how to make some freaking money. This is an easy trick to make $100 a day with Facebook without owning your own product, without having any technical experience, without having to pay for any ads or anything. And it's going to be real easy. I've made millions per year as an affiliate marketer, and I'm going to show you how you can use this trick. I'm going to show you right on my computer how you can get started, how you will get paid real quick. We're going to go over how you get paid, how many clicks you need to get, and the exact time in which you'll be receiving the money on this video. Check it out. So that's affiliate marketing money, and in this I'm going to show you a simple way. I make about $10,000 per day right now with affiliate marketing. That's profit. But I'm going to show you how you can make 1% of that, $100 a day from Facebook. There's billions of people on Facebook. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. But first, before we get into this method on my computer, there's something you need to know. So first off, how you will get paid. You will get paid either by a check or by a wire transfer to your bank account with this method, okay? By check or by wire transfer. For a wire transfer, you will need a bank. For a check, you will need an address, okay? Now, the number of clicks that you will need roughly to get $100 a day is about 60, okay? About 60 clicks, maybe 65 clicks to make that $100. 65 clicks equals $100. So if you can get 65 people clicking on this link, you should, it's not guaranteed, but you should make $100 because the offer, just to get technical, is a $1.50 EPC. That's what the average people make, so I won't go into that. Now, the time in which you will be able to receive this money, it's about a week and 3 days, okay? About a week. Now, the affiliate network that I'm going to show you, the company that I'm going to show you that will pay you, pays out what's called weekly net 3. Now, what that means is they pay every week at the end of the week, and then they take 3 extra days. So at the most, it'll take about 10 days to get paid. Weekly net 3. That's the terminology. Now, what countries this will work in is this is international. So this method will work no matter what country you're in. It's an international method, except if you are in Nigeria or Bangladesh or North Korea. Sorry, Nigerians, sorry, Bangladeshis, sorry, North Koreans. You won't be able to make any money with this method unless you set up a US entity like an LLC or S Corp. But barring that, this works for almost every other country around the world. Now let's get to my computer and check out this method here. So the first thing we got to do here is we actually got to go to a website. You can type in Google, ClickBank, okay? And we're going to a website called clickbank.com. And this is what's called an affiliate network, meaning they have products in which they will pay you money to do. So the first thing you need to do, if you don't already have an account, is create an account. You will be approved instantly if you're not from Nigeria or Bangladesh or North Korea. Okay? So they will approve you instantly so you can start advertising products. So you create your account, and then once you've created your account, you will click the affiliate marketplace, okay? Right here. Now you'll come to a page sort of like this. And what you need to do next is you need to click Find Products and click the search button. And you will find a ton of products you can promote. Now, as you see here, there's over 4,353 products to promote. Now, if we were talking about making big money, I have a product on ClickBank, real cool, shameless plug for myself, okay, is I have a product on ClickBank. I have the #1 what's called high ticket product on ClickBank. If you're looking to earn big money, and if you're looking to earn recurring money, you would advertise my product, which is called the Super Affiliate System, okay? And you can buy it too. It's where I train people. It's my 6-week course where I train people to do affiliate marketing. You make, on average, $500 per sale. It is not an easy product to promote, but you can make a lot of money over time and initially if you are an affiliate for that product. Shameless plug over. For our purposes though, we're gonna focus on selling this product called the Flat Belly Fix, which is a weight loss product, and it pays out about $38, okay? So you make $38, so you need 3 sales to sell this product and make $100 a day, okay? So to get our link, we're gonna click promote right there, and you'll enter in your account nickname. Again, you won't have your account nickname if you don't sign up. So remember, it's my job as a teacher to let you know, watching this video will earn you absolutely nothing if you sit there and be skeptical and don't do anything. The only way you can make money with any of these methods from any of the people teaching these is if you go out there and take action. If you're committed to taking action, just type in the comments, say action taker. If you are an action taker and you're committed to actually putting this into work and using this to make some serious cash. Action taker. So I'm putting in my account nickname and I'm gonna click generate hop links, okay, right there. And I will get an affiliate link in which I can post to other places online and earn commissions from. But this is a pretty ugly link, so you can right click and you can click copy this link, okay? Or you can click this button right here and the link will be copied to your computer. So now that we've got our link, we're gonna go to a site called Bitly, and if you see up here it says bit.ly.com, and what you're doing is you're gonna turn that big ugly link into a shorter link. So we're just gonna paste our link in here. We're gonna click shorten. Now we have this link, which is much prettier and shorter, and we just click copy, and now the link is copied to our computer, okay? Next step is we go over to Facebook. On Facebook, what we wanna do is we wanna search for weight loss oriented groups. Now remember, we're advertising a product that helps people lose weight. So we wanna focus on groups on Facebook or pages that focus on helping people lose weight. Makes sense, right? So this is marketing 101. You have to target the right people. If you advertise weight loss products to people who don't care about losing weight, then you won't make any money. So what we do here is simply we type in weight loss in the screen up here. If you see that, just typing in weight loss, and I'm going to click search. And you'll see we have a few pages up here that show up. nutritionfacts.org, and this is for weight loss. Okay, and then we have a group called Extreme Weight Loss, which 501,000 people like this. Okay, 721,000 people like this. Then we have A Black Girl's Guide to Weight Loss. 125,000 people like this. So we'll go on all these pages, and what we're going to do is we are going to go on these pages and we are going to post our affiliate link. So right here, we see on nutritionfacts.org, we have a place in which we can post our affiliate link right there. Now, let me be clear. Just posting your affiliate link doesn't mean that people are gonna say, oh, there's a link, let me go click on it and buy it. It doesn't work that way. You have to actually convince people that you have a very good solution for whatever they wanna do, which is lose weight. So you need to actually convince them. And this is where sales or marketing comes in. Sales and marketing are two of the same things. They're two sides of the same coin. But what you've got to understand is sales is in-person stuff. People are not communicating in person anymore. 20% of all interaction is in person nowadays. Guess what that 80% is? That 80% of interaction that people have nowadays is on social media, on sites like Facebook, texting, phone calls. It's on other communication mediums. It's not on person to person. So where is the money? The money is in selling products online. That's where it's moved to. In the future, it'll be selling products in virtual reality, but it's not there yet. But for the time being, all of the opportunity is selling products online. So if you want to make real money, if you want to make big money, if you want to ever retire or live a nice, luxurious life, you're going to have to learn to market online. And this method is a way to get started. Okay, so where we're at is we're going to market. We're going to say something about this link. So say, thanks for the inspirational content. I love your page and it's been really helpful. I figured I'd share with everyone a product that's helped me lose some weight as well. Hope it can help. And boom, there's a link, okay? Now all we do is we just click enter and post it. So as you can see, here's my post, and what's cool is that it actually auto-generates from the link. It auto-generates some pictures from the website itself. You know, it looks pretty cool, and you can click here if you want to change the picture out to be something else, and then you just click post. Boom! Now the next thing you do is you just do it all over again, and you do this as many places as you can. Okay, so there's other pages. Here's extreme weight loss. There's other blogs, you know, here's a Black Girl's Guide to Weight Loss. There are many other places in which you can do this. You can message people. You can see there's comments on this. You know, there's comments from other women that are looking to lose weight. You can send them messages, okay? You can say, hey, I saw you were on the Extreme Weight Loss blog. I wanted to share with you something that helped me lose weight. Hopefully it will help you. You can message people, you can post on Facebook pages, groups, etc. The most important thing I want to make clear though is that you take action. You take some form of action and you start doing these things. Now, you can start doing these things today, or you could put them off and say you'll do them next week or next month. And also understand during the way, obstacles might come up. Some page moderators may not approve some of your posts. Some group moderators may not approve your posts. Some people may click on your links and not necessarily buy. But the point of the matter is, this is the way to reach people. This is the way to make $100 a day from Facebook without spending anything, and to do it today. And you can get paid by check or wire within a week and 3 days. So guys, hopefully this has helped you out a lot, and slam that subscribe button if you've gotten some serious value from this. Hit that notifications bell if you'd like to see some live streams from me where I break down some of my secret campaigns, the other stuff that I'm working on, and love to see you. Write in the comments below, type in I'm in, type in I'm all in if you are committed to making money online, if you're committed to applying this method and really starting to become an affiliate marketer and posting links places and making money from the comfort of your own home. Now, I hope this has helped some people. Keep in mind, there will be obstacles. Not everybody who clicks will buy, but you have to push through them. You have to take action, or else you have a 100% chance of making $0. And I can guarantee you, that's not the place you want to be. I've been able to quit my job. I've been able to make millions of dollars, become a multimillionaire, live on over an acre ranch in the most expensive city in the world. And it's really cool. And it's all from the internet with no employees. So hopefully to see you on some of my next videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and talk to you soon.